maendeleo we kwa mifugo tija ya maendeleo kwa biashara tija ya maendeleo we na uvuvi tija ya maendeleo kilimo bora kwa kila mtu.
If you don't do the fertile, they grow.
Yeah.
But only Gairo has this.
Yes, Gairo, the area of Gairo, it is different from other areas. Gairo supported because of the climatic condition of Gairo. It's good for every crops except rice. Yes.
But what is special in Gairo? Like some area, our area grow vanilla, cacao. What is special in Gairo? You can grow everything,
Everything,
but is there any special product only in Gairo?
The potato.
Sweet
potato. Yes.
Is it special?
Yes, it's special. Sweet potato you cannot find in any area of Gairo. In Morogoro, you can find it in Gairo.
Really?
Sweet potato. Yes.
Okay.
Sweet potato. Yes. Sweet potato.
Was it there?
It's from you. Just a bit, okay?
Few, yes. Few comments.
So I was before coming to this booth, my impression of Gairo is land is not so fertile, so it's not good for farming. I was thinking so, but then after I see this booth, I realized Gairo is good for farming, fertile land. I didn't know that, so I learned from your booth today.
Tanzania inasifika kwa kilimo safi, mazao ya biashara wena chakula, kilimo safi. Mama Samia ongoza njia, gurudumu mbele lizidi songa. Tuna wasiwasi, tuna imani na wewe, kilimo biashara umeonesha nia. Miundombinu ya kilimo ipo sawa sawa kwa uwekezaji. We karibuni wafanya biashara, we Tanzania kwa kilimo imara. We wauza viazi na maharage masoko